Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be mentioning some of the best rugged phones for gaming. There are millions of games available on Android and majority of these games could run perfectly on almost any smartphone. All at the same time, there are some games that are actually very demanding. So the smartphones mentioned in this video could handle some demanding games available on Android. And the best thing is that some of these smartphones have high refresh rates and massive batteries. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, these are some of the best rugged phones that are good for gaming.
Perfect.
So what are your thoughts about these rugged phones that I mentioned in this video? In my opinion, the Lenovo ThinkPhone, which is the most powerful rugged phone, could handle pretty much any game available on Android, including demanding games like PUBG and Call of Duty. Anyway, what are your thoughts about these rugged phones that I mentioned in this video? If you have any rugged phone in your mind that you believe is also good for gaming, make sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.
Perfect.